The KATTSSA and Green Farming Society and the public of Nilip constituency had jointly raised demand for an executive member berth of their local MSC Pavitra Rongpi. They said that MSC Rongpi must be included in the list of EMs during the oath-taking ceremony to be held on June 20. For the past several decades, the MSC from Nilip have been denied from EM-ship. Due to this, our elected representative is not able to perform development works like other MSCs who have served as EM, said KATTSSA Nilip Branch President Jiten Rongpi. The people of Nilip have been deprived of several government schemes as our MSC do not have the power of an EM, said Green Farming Society Secretary John Rongpar.
Nilitum nilibarat penangasi toidun a representative abang apan nilitum apan EMRPU mesen EMRPU nang PP ponra nilitum nilibarat aparman kacingko kangtung mate nilitum tari na pepleng pia sonte nilitum han me parvigi puson si nilitum mahin pen chuni ridun non EM RPU mate non la CMRPU cibadet pot taking that api jong si nilitum pan EMRPU nang tangte det ulo putangte nilibarada tum sitame pinipin pura lo ako ni tum siya marideng pili damji lapenan par nilitum hitame akinang do putangte nilitum nilibara sitame thorpak pen nilitum hitame nangkachi hangdunji aphan nilitum makachi sigding hitame do.
The organizations have further said that if Pavitra Rongpi is denied EM berth in the Karbi-Anglong Autonomous Council, they will take further steps to convince the BJP High Command.
Itum nilibarada parmana bangke EM nang PP pon vek asonte nang PP pon asonte puson si nilitum mahin pen chuniri duning tung pinpul pon me kedam tang nipaing corner cap haikuni surini rang korai si KATTSSA abitung pen election dojipu pe aprang pen nilitum kimang pon bangke non napong bangpu giligut bangpu ba dule haidun ba jok le nilitum nilibarat pa representative nang chetoidun pusita nilitum panke EM nang PP veng nang ji puson si nilitum ke parno pon dotang lo aprang pen pipon ma pulotang te nilitum along penang al sarkar penang pi scheme do sitame Assam Darshan punon MLA scheme punon PMAYG MG Mrega lason daktasi MSDP lai hai nilitum hanang pitangan sitame kichunche ke pleng klesi nilitum ke thek ponlong side lo pipon ma pulotang ten nilitum aphan mesen arpu IM inutbak aphan tame nilitum aphan PP pon pe ajoklo puson si nilitum matha.
Samson Ingti from Koilamati, Karbi-Anglong Live.